and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Maths with Bola. And in this video I'll be explaining multiples of number. So in this video we'll be learning the meaning of multiple and ways to find the multiples of a number. So let's go on in the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also put on the notification bell so that you can get more math content as notifications. Now, what is the multiple of a number? The multiple of a number is what you get when you multiply the number by an integer. So when you have something like this, 2 times 3, the answer is 6. Yes, 6. Now, the multiple here is 6 and it is a multiple of 2. So the multiple of a number is what you get when you multiply the number by an integer. Now, what is multiple again? The multiple of a number is a number that the number can divide without remainder. Don't be confused because of the repetition of the word number. Now we can say 6 divided by 2 is 3. That simply means that 6 is a multiple of 2. Why? Because when 2 divides 6, it is perfect, there is no remainder. So that makes 6 a multiple of 2. And then you can also get the multiple of a number by counting in the number. Multiples of 2 can be gotten by counting in 2s. Let's try some examples. So you can get the multiple of a number by counting in that number. Like in the example here, we have write the multiples of 2. So we'll be solving this by counting in 2s. Let's write numbers from 1 to 10. We want to write out the multiples of 2 that are between the range of 1 to 10. So we write out the numbers 1 to 10, and then we do something very simple. We count in 2s. I believe you have heard of counting in 2s before, and if you haven't heard about it, we'll be doing it together in this video. So we want to start counting in 2. So all you have to do is as if you are skipping and you are counting 2. Then you start again, you count 2. So when we start from 2 and count in 2s, we have 2. So here you have 2 as the first number. Then when we count in 2, we count 3, 4. That is 1, 2. So it's like you're saying 1, 2. The number will be 4. Then when you count again, 1, 2. The next one will be 6. So you are just skipping one number and jumping to the second one. And then we have 10. So now we want to write out the multiples of 2 that are within the range of 1 to 10. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So here are the multiples of 2 that we have between numbers 1 to 10. Let's try it again by finding the multiples of 3 that are within the range of 1 to 10. So we'll do it like we did the other time. We are going to count in 3 and we'll write numbers between 1 to 10. So the numbers starting from 1 up to 10. And then what do we do next? Like we did previously, we'll start from 3 and we count in 3s. Even if you are starting from 1 and you count in 3s, you are going to land on 3. So I just felt let's save that stress and start from 3. So we have 3, then you count 1, 2, 3 and get to 6. Then when you count 1, 2, 3 again, you end at 9, and there are no other numbers that you can count with. So we stop here. Then we write out the numbers that are circled, and there you have 3, 6, and 9. So these are the multiples of 3 that are within the range of 1 to 10. Now we want to find the multiple of 2, and I'll be illustrating this using these 2 to help us be imaginative now. Now We want to use the method of addition, and the addition is we keep adding 2 to the numbers. So when you have something like 2 plus 2, you get 4, right? Then you add 2 again to get 6. That is multiple. Now, like we did in counting in twos, so we are adding to get the multiples. Then 6 plus 2 will give you 8, and then you add 2 to it to get 10, and then you add 2 to get 12. When you add 2 again, you are going to get 14. When you add 2 again, you are going to get 16. So these are multiples of 2 now, and that is a visual representative of counting in 2. So you have 2 plus 2, 4. So let's say the multiples of 2 that we have in this illustration. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. So this is a simple illustration. Now let's do multiple of 3. You have 3 on the screen. So let's start 3. We count in threes, or you add 3. Plus 3, you get 6. Again, plus 3, you have 9. Plus 3 again, you get 12. Plus 3 again, you have 15. Plus 3 again, then 18. Then you add 3 to get 21. And then you have 24. So this is also a visual representative of counting in threes from 3 to 24. So all we did was just add 3. So that is a simple demonstration of what multiples are. So once you are confused, you can use this method, add 3's to it. So if you are asked to write 10 multiples of, let's say, 5, all you need to do is add 5 to 5. Just keep adding till you get 10 multiples. Or you can use another method, which I'll be illustrating in the next part. Now write out the first 5 multiples of 2. So I don't want to use the repetitive addition this time. I want to use another method. We can just do this by multiplying 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember we said first 5. So multiply 2 with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's do it simply this way. So 2 times 1 will give us 2. 2 times 2, 4. Then you have 6, 7, 8 rather, sorry. Then you have 10. Good. So this is very straightforward. Just like the repetitive addition, this is multiplication now. So if you are asked to find the first 10 multiples of 2 now, all you have to do is multiply 2 by numbers 1 to 10. If you are asked to find the first 50 multiples of 2, just multiply 2 by the numbers 1 to 50. So that settles it, and that makes it easy. Let's do another example using 3. So we are asked to write out the first 5 multiples of 3. So like we did in the previous one, we multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 times 1, 3. Then we have 6, 9, 12, and 15. So the first 5 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So that is the simple way to find the multiples of a number. So in summary, we have found multiple by multiplication, by addition, and by counting in either 2s, 3s, depending on which number you want to get the multiple. And would you love to try a question on your own? So try this question. Write out the first 5 multiples of 5 in the comment section, and I will look forward to your answers. Share your answer in the comments, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, why have you not subscribed? Kindly subscribe to the channel, and remember to put on the notification bell. Thank you.